the sun of the night. A full moon, ladies and gentlemen. So welcome back. We have now made it to our second train. It is heading also eastbound on the old mainline subdivision. I was alerted of that not too long after I just got done publishing the first catch of CSX trains on the old mainline subdivision. Not completely the first train of May, but for some I'm sure you know what I mean. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm here to catch myself the second train heading eastbound on the old mainline subdivision. I'm going to be a bit I'm going to guess this one. It might be a coal train. Could potentially be, but I don't know. But we'll find out. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, so I'll go ahead and let you guys go for the time being. And we'll wait out for this train heading eastbound on the old mainline subdivision. Alright, I'm going to pause it for now, and I'll keep you guys updated with more information once the train arrives. Alright guys, here it comes. You can barely make it out, but the crossing is going off down there. I also heard the K5HL, we got a likely an ET44 leading, I'm sure. But who knows? You can barely make it out due to the trees and all these cars that are sitting right in front of this thing. Anyways, guys, here it comes. Pretty sure it's a loaded coal train. Who knows exactly what idea it could possibly be? Well, we're gonna find out once it comes around the corner, so here we go. Wow, that echo, dude. Love it. I don't know. I think it could be an ET44. Or maybe another unit. Alright. Huh. It's surprisingly going a bit slower than I thought it was. Wow. Maybe this could be a very slow train. Took some time for these guys to go off, but at last they finally did. This might actually be a slow freight train, actually. I don't know if they're gonna clear it or anything. Might be just like the first train, I think, of 2026, where they're pretty sluggard. Oh yeah, this train is really slow. Oh my gosh, are we gonna relive exactly what happened in 2025? God, dude, I really hope not. It's just giving me anxiety thinking about it. All right, 3136. This is a really slow train. 4570. Yep. SC70 Mac. Holy damn. Yep. It's a coal train. Sorry if I cussed, guys, but I mean, I have seen a coal train before that went slow, kind of like this, but he eventually sped up, and it looks like he is thankfully speeding up, so that's good. So yeah, I was right. It is indeed a coal train. I can't tell you guys what the idea is though, because I do not know what it is. All right, it's picking up speed thankfully, so that's good. That's what we need to lower the anxiety of your boy recording this video. Possibly reached the end of the grade, and now it's making its way to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland swiftly, starting from here on out. That's good. Really good. So no, it was not an ET44, it was an ES44 being this train, and with an SD70 Mac on it too. That was pretty cool. I'm not so sure you guys could hear it, but there's also a bit of like a tune going on. That tune is C. That tune. Yeah. It's increasing, though, to a different tune, though. Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Dude, what's going on with that car? I don't know what's going on, but that probably did not sound good. Anyways, it's in C sharp. C sharp. Am I gonna really give you guys a bit of an idea of what that tune sounds like? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure you guys know it. But seriously, that scared me. I thought something was gonna fly to me and hit me somewhere. But thankfully, this train is definitely picking up speed now, so that's good. Whoa! Graffiti museum on roller bearings. Should I call this video that? Graffiti art museum on roller bearings. Or how about just graffiti on roller bearings? I don't know, because, you know, YouTube guidelines these days. Adding a number that limits the amount of characters you should add in a title, which is not ideal. They do the same thing to DeviantArt. Like, come on, guys, give us some free will into our titles. Oh, all right, ET44, then 33, 35, 59, that's it. Wow. Wow. You know, for a second, I thought that train was actually going to stall like it did back in 2025. Even if I'm on a side where it ain't too bad, I would still get anxiety from it, but thankfully it didn't, so that's good. Alright guys, there you have it. I do not know what ID it is, likely C780 something, or maybe C7 something. If anyone knows, comment it below. But there you go, a Sluggard CSX coal heading eastbound to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland. Kind of a surprising catch. That trailer's got some noise to make of over there. Anyways, I'll let you guys go, and I think this could be my last train for today, and I'll see if I can catch another one, if any, later on tonight, and if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So peace out, and catch you on the next time, guys. And with the moon, or as I like to call it sometimes, the sun of the night, this is Mike's Railfan Studios signing off, or we're going out. I don't know why I don't say it in my videos, but for real though. See you next time, guys. Peace out.
Yeah.